Remove makeup. Wash face and neck with cleanser. Apply toner. Apply massage cream evenly all over the face and neck and gently massage the treatment site 3 times. Relaxation with vibration massager. Slowly stroke from mouth corner to temple, nose vein to temple 3 to 5 times. You'll feel a slight vibration on the skin, which will be quite soothing and comfortable. Massage can help boost blood circulation, accelerate metabolism, and relieve fatigue. Massage the temples and forehead. Do the same on the other side. Slowly stroke back and forth along 大板筋 5 times. Do the same on the other side. Wash face clean. Apply Black Cat Expert liquid and hot steam on T-zone to soften skin, dissolve what's clogging the pores so that it cleanses better. Wait for 5 minutes and take off the cotton pad. Hydrodermabrasion. Hydrodermabrasion treatment can deep cleanse pores and at the same time replenish skin with moisture and nutrition. It cleanses thoroughly up to 60 to 70%. Place the tip at the treatment site and twist until it loosens up. Point treat from one to another. Double treat congested areas such as blackheads and clogged pores. Treat for 10 minutes. Move from nose to forehead to chin. Suction around the corners of the mouth, then slowly stroke towards earlobe. Treat in parallel lines until covering the entire cheek 1 time. Avoid high-level suction intensity. Do the same on the other side. Wash face clean. Aquafacial with Hydro Spray Jet. Fill in the Hydro Spray bottle with purified water. Hydro Spray Jet injects oxygen and water into the skin and the dermis layer through high pressure. It can also be used as a second cleanser. Move in circular motions from chin to earlobe, mouth corner to ear gate, nose vein to temple, and parallel lines 2 times. Do the same on the other side. Move in circular motions towards hairline on forehead, then from nose veins to forehead 2 times. Inform the customer to adjust breathing when operating around nose. Make sure the mist does not get into the customer's eyes, nose, or ears. Move from one side of the cheek to another, passing Feltrum as the middle point, then wipe off the remaining mist. Apply RF cream evenly all over the face. RF anti-aging treatment. RF stimulates subcutaneous collagen regeneration to help prevent loose skin and delay skin aging. Lift from chin to nose wane in circular motions, then to the temple. Lift from chin to the cheek in circular motions, then to the temple. Lift along the jawline to the cheek in circular motions, then to the temple, 3 times. Coupled with hand lifting parallel lines from chin to earlobe, mouth corner to ear gate, nose wane to the temple, 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Coupled with hand lift towards the hairline on forehead, 3 to 5 times. Wash face clean. Apply essence evenly all over the face. Bio microcurrent facelift. Microcurrent can help lift skin such as around cheeks and corners of the eyes and improve sagging and loose skin. Stroke from the jawline to the cheek 3 times. Stroke from chin to earlobe, mouth corner to ear gate, nose wane to temple in parallel lines 3 times. Combine the last 2 techniques to lift facial skin 2 to 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Move slowly from the beginning of the eyebrow to the end of the eyebrow in parallel lines 3 times. Stroke towards hairline on forehead 3 times. Apply essence evenly. Ultrasound nutrient import. Ultrasound helps lead in nutrition into deep skin for quick nutrients absorption and brightening. Move in circular motions from chin to earlobe, mouth corner to ear gate, nose wane to temple 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Move in small circular motions towards hairline on forehead 3 to 5 times. Shrink pores with cold hammer treatment. Cold hammer helps calm skin, ease sensitive skin, shrink pore, and boost nutrients absorption. Move the probe slowly back and forth from chin to earlobe, mouth corner to ear gate, nose wane to temple 3 to 5 times. It helps reduce skin issues like redness, swelling, fever, and sensitive skin. Move up and down the nose. Do the same on the other side. Move slowly back and forth from forehead to hairline 3 to 5 times. Apply sheet mask and LED phantom mask. There's 7 different lights of LED. Here's consecutive monocolor mode and intermittent multicolor mode. Select the mode based on one's own skin needs. LED light helps diminish bacteria and inflammation, hydrate skin, improve acne-prone skin, and fade pigmentation. Wait for 15 minutes. Remove the mask and wash face clean. Apply toner, essence, cream, and sunscreen.